guys, welcome back to the Sports Republic. Welcome back to the series that we're doing, which is basically rating the IPL teams before the start of this new season. Very exciting times ahead. COVID, third wave coming, I don't know. It's just exciting. Cricket is back, IPL is back, T20 is back. And this time we're going to be rating Punjab Kings. I think one of the worst franchises ever to have played in the IPL. I'm so sorry. 2014, Mr. Bailey, I'm so sorry. You guys performed well. Still lost. But, just an overall haphazard franchise. I don't know if you guys agree to me, but that's just my feeling. We're going to be rating these teams on 4 parameters, as we've done before. You can check out the other videos on the same playlist, which is their Indian core. The second parameter is their foreign 4. Third parameter is their team balance. And the fourth parameter we're going to be rating them out of 10 is their leadership group. Going on to Punjab Kings, Vikas. Punjab Kings, Indian core. What do you want to rate them out of 10?
केएल राहुल, मयंक अग्रवाल जैसे नाम रहने के बाद भी मोहम्मद शमी के जैसा नाम रहने के बाद भी I would want them to rate only 7 क्योंकि केएल राहुल is not the KL Rahul who is like for Indian team और इसके लिए कुछ अलग ही प्लेयर हो जाता है यार. I just don't get it.
क्यों इंडियन टीम के लिए टेस्ट में अच्छा ही तो खेल रहा है वो.
टेस्ट में अच्छा खेल रहा है, right? Exactly. That's what he's auditioning for in the IPL as well. और बाकी के जो और नाम है यार, दीपक हुड्डा, आई थिंक उसको और एक झगड़े की जरूरत है कृणाल पांडे के साथ, क्योंकि वो एक झगड़े के बाद में वो एक इनिंग खेला और उसके बाद में वापस शांत हो गया. शाहरुख खान थोड़ा सा यूज्ड, ही इज नॉट यूज्ड रियली वेल, आई बिलीव. उसके अलावा कोई और नाम है नहीं यार, मतलब देखा जाए तो मनदीप सिंह एंड मतलब देखे में सरफराज खान, मोहम्मद शमी, हरप्रीत, अर्शदीप इज वन नेम, अर्शदीप इज वन नेम हु इज लाइक इन सब लोगों में थोड़ा सा उठ के आ रहा है. Otherwise, Indian core 7. Let's not just talk about it.
Vignesh, do you want to cut them some slack, or are you gonna be hard on them as well, like me and Vikas?
So the Indian core is basically the top 2 and the bottom 2.
Sorry, man. Sorry, please.
Agarwal and Rahul at the top. Ravi Bishnoi is someone I rate very highly.
Amazing, Vicky.
Yeah. Ravi Bishnoi and Mohammad Shami. So उसके अलावा there are others who like अच्छा ये दिख रहा है तो इनको ले लो types. But that says a lot about the franchise and the way they have functioned. Harpreet Brar was someone who came as a bright spark in a game against RCB in the first half of the IPL, if you guys remember. There is promise, but with Punjab, it has always been promise. It has never, played to the potential. I'll go with a very generous 7 for them.
Yeah.
Oh, that is a very generous 7 indeed. Saying that, I'll give them a 7 as well. I am not sure where was my mind when I rated these guys. I've given them a 7, so I have to stay with a 7. Yeah, I think it's my most. I don't want to say hated because it sounds like I'm hating on them, but I don't know what they're doing. Indian core, the best thing that they did in their entire franchise lifetime till now is get KL Rahul. He's won the orange cap twice in a row now, probably in contention to win it again this year. Whatever you're going to say, bro. And sometimes, what happened? You used to blame Sachin for, scoring those runs and the team not winning. But when the team is so bad, what can you do? Just score runs, So that's what KL Rahul is doing. They have no chance. Their Indian core is really bad. Yeah,
I feel he's stuck. I feel he's stuck.
Yeah, I mean, it's stuck. He can't go anywhere, and they're going to retain him anyway. I think they have to do a big job in this mega auctions coming up. Just to satisfy KL Rahul, because it's got a big star for India. Yeah, I mean, stop copying RCB first.
Let's start with that.
Stop copying RCB first. That is what they should start with. I'm going with a 7. We'll go to the next parameter, which is the overseas 4. Because what do you rate them?
Again, मतलब इन पैरामीटर्स में भी जैसे हमने मुंबई के बारे में बात किया था कि अच्छे पैरामीटर्स में थोड़ा सा भी, ये और खराब पैरामीटर में और खराब. So I'm going with 6.5 क्योंकि क्रिस गेल फॉर्म में है नहीं ये पता नहीं किसी को. निकोलस पूरन डक्स पे डक्स किए जा रहा है. वन गुड एडिशन आई विल से कि आदिल रशीद शायद यूएई में थोड़ा सा हेल्प करवा सकता है. और आई एम प्रीटी श्योर यू गाइस वोंट एग्री टू दिस, बट आई स्टिल फील एडन मार्करम थोड़ा सा, अगर तुम केएल राहुल को थोड़ा सा उधर, तुमको यू कैन कट सम स्लैक टू केएल राहुल. अगर एडन मार्करम जैसा एंकर और एक आता है एंड यू अलाउ केएल राहुल टू जस्ट गो ऑल आउट.
Not gonna happen.
अगर वाली सीन है. But again, you don't have anyone else. Chris Jordan, you keep on changing guys. Jair Richardson, Moses Henriquez. No, just no. 6.5.
It's just not convincing enough. Yeah, because Vignesh, what do you want to go for?
Yeah, for a moment I was thinking Vikas's idea of playing Markram, and it kind of sounded nice that any opportunity to liberate KL Rahul is very nice. But then you have got 4 openers batting until number 4.
Yeah.
Gale is, you're forcing him to bat at number 3.
Agarwal.
So that might not happen. The main problem is their balance here. Chris Jordan has to come in at number 7 if he's playing, and that is a very sorry state of affairs. The only silver lining is Adil Rashid's signing. I guess that has what made me give them a 6.5. Else I was looking at around.
Otherwise, it would have been 6.
It would have been 6. See, I'm gonna give them a little bit of a ray of hope. Okay. I'm saying what they have left is those 2 players. He's saying 2. I'm saying 1 at the top, Indian core, and 1 at the bottom. Okay. I mean, Arshdeep for me is a great Indian guy, and Rahul for me is great. Otherwise, it's just lopsided. The overseas core, Puran, he did not perform. I don't know. Yeah. I can't lose faith in Puran. I don't know why. I managed to never lose. Yeah. I can't, because for West Indies he performs. He always performs. He performed in the Australia series, and maybe moving to the UAE, maybe a change of scene. Yeah. Again, Gale is Gale. So he can erupt anytime. He can win you a game single-handedly. That is where Adil Rashid again is a big factor. We've been debating 5 साल से Adil Rashid IPL में क्यों नहीं है. So he's finally here. Let's see how he is. The last guy, again, who do you go for? Do you go for Henry, or do you go for Chris Jordan? That is the big question for me here. But yeah, I think the other 3 qualify enough. And again, as you said, Mumbai Indians अपने आप से rate कर रही है. So I am saying पंजाब को भी अपने आप से rate करते हैं. अगर 6.5 इसका domestic का है, तो 7. So that's why I'm giving 8 to the foreign players. Moving on to the other parameter, team balance. Because team balance,
I think again generous 7 for them.
Oh.
थोड़ा सा top order और Nicholas Pooran, I'm expecting Nicholas Pooran to bat well, और वहां पर 4-5 तक अगर बैटिंग हो जाता है, और नीचे का जो है I'm expecting Arshdeep, Mohammad Shami, then Ravi Bishnoi, if they play Murugan Ashwin, if there are a lot of ifs and buts as well. So I think I'm giving them 7 for the hope. मतलब जो chance है, potential 7. They can play.
Potential 7.
They can play.
Yeah. Vignesh?
Yeah. I guess the only team hampered majorly by team balance is Punjab Kings. They don't have a world-class all-rounder, and it shows. Every other franchisee, Delhi, I guess, has a Stoinis at least to show for them. If you have Henriquez as your all-rounder to show, then it says a lot about your team balance. Jordan has to come in at 7, as we earlier spoke, or a Harpreet Brar kind of a player. Doesn't inspire much confidence. I'll go with a 6.5 again for the team balance.
Again, I think it's a little. I am going for a 6, just because मेरे को हमेशा से पिछले 3-4 साल से यही है कि पंजाब किंग्स, अगर जब किंग्स 11 भी थी तब भी, अगर if they lose the first 2 wickets in the first 6 overs, the game's over for the team. I think that is the main theme for
their half Indian core is gone.
The half Indian core is gone. Their confidence is gone. Their captain is gone. Everything is gone. So and that is why KL Rahul plays the way he plays, because he has no confidence in his middle order or his lower middle order, and I don't blame him for playing like that. And that is why I'm going with a 6 for them in terms of their team balance. So coming to our averages, guys, this is like, I think this is like a student. This is like me in school.
Leadership.
Oh, we've missed leadership. Yeah, sorry. So sorry, man. I just want to go ahead from this team as soon as possible. But we'll go to the leadership. go to the leadership positions. Vignesh, what do you give for the leaderships?
They have the who's who of leadership in their dugout, right? There is the Twitter handler Wasim Jafar. There is
who's who. That is your who's who.
Vicky is on fire. Vicky is on fire when it comes to Punjab Kings, man.
Fire today.
There is Anil Kumble, who was supposed to change Indian cricket, and Virat Kohli, unceremoniously showed him the door. But how things have shaped up, it is open to debate that what exactly happened. There is Andy Flower. There is literally everyone whom you put. There is Jonty Rhodes being the fielding coach, but still, even despite all these personalities, it is still Rahul's team. And that is something I really like about Rahul. Even they lose from positions they certainly can't lose, but that guy wears it on his chin and takes the team forward. That is a sign of a very good leader. For only Rahul, I'll go with 7. Otherwise, it could have been, a very low 5 or 6.
Vikas?
For me, it's 7. क्योंकि यार मतलब एक तो केएल राहुल को डेप्यूटी नहीं है वहां पर. अगर केएल राहुल बाहर जाता है तो केएल को टीम किसको देखेगा ये किसी को पता नहीं.
Mayank was their captain.
Mayank was their captain, and I don't really like. मेरे को Mayank as a captain I haven't seen much. और ओवरऑल
exactly.
हाँ, और निकोलस पूरन अगर वो टीम में है और अगर उस मैच में उसने डक नहीं किया है तो शायद टीम उसकी तरफ देख सकती है. Otherwise, I don't really see a great leadership out there. और यार अनिल कुंबले के बारे में हम हर बार बात करते हैं, इंडियन टीम के बारे में भी हम हर बार बात करते हैं कि अनिल कुंबले को हमने कैसे छोड़ दिया एंड एवरीथिंग. बट आई थिंक अनिल कुंबले पंजाब किंग्स के साथ 2 साल से है.
2 साल हो गए.
हाँ, तो
this is the second year.
Exactly, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ बड़ा चेंज नजर नहीं आ रहा है. तो हम हर बार किसी के भी क्रिकेटिंग करियर से उसका कोचिंग करियर सीधा रेप्लिकेट नहीं कर सकते. It's not necessary to अगर जो अच्छा क्रिकेटर है वो अच्छा कोच भी हो या ना हो. We don't really know. So for this, I think 7.
Yeah. I think I am again going with a 6 for these guys, which is again very low. But I want to justify why I've given them a 6. One, because you can't do what they did, which is get in a coach and get his favorite state players, which is what Anil Kumble did, which is get all the Karnataka boys, right? It will never happen in any other franchise. There is a structure in any other franchise, which, coach is probably dispensable. You can get away with, get rid of the coach. But there is a philosophy of every franchise which they go with. You see how Mike Hassan come in and, he has almost transformed RCB into, from someone who's like almost trans to somebody who is now contending, at the top of the table. So I have not seen anything like that with Punjab Kings. I was hoping Murugan Ashwin would, and Ravi Bishnoi with Anil Kumble being their coach, gonna level up their game. I think it's gone one level down with that. And KL Rahul, first year, I thought he was very nervous with his captaincy. Last year, this year at the start, even his team was bad. I had a little tad bit, I was a little tad bit expected, happy with what he did with his captaincy. But again, I also don't think till now that he is a great captain or he has found out the niche to be a great captain. So I think for me is a 6 for them, for the leadership group as a rating. In total, because you are rating Kings 11 at the highest at 6.875. Me and Vignesh
are higher still.
You're highest. And me and Vignesh are both coming in at an average of 6.75. That means from the Sports Republic, Kings 11, the Punjab Kings. Punjab Kings for the team, for the leadership, for their Indian core, for their overseas, for the recruitment, for their jersey, for their badge, for cheating on RCB. The average comes out to be 6.79, but we'll be a little lenient and go at a 6.8 an average for them. Yeah, 6.8 for the Punjabis. And we're done with this one. We'll see you in the next one. We'll be speaking about the first winners of the IPL, which is Rajasthan Royals. Until then, it's a goodbye for all of us here and from the Sports Republic, and see you soon.